Assalamu alaikum guys. And this is a short video again for repeating all the criteria and adding some more information, the tips for selecting the supplier. So we have before discussed that it should be having a trade insurance. So there is another thing, Alibaba gold supplier. And who is gold supplier? Alibaba. And what will lead us toward the gold supplier? So basically the trade insurance is a sign that the supplier is a gold supplier. Okay. And what is gold supplier? So basically the supplier is paying premium amount to Alibaba to be a premium member. Okay, it's like a big amount, around about 10,000 or something like that, $10,000. So they are paying it yearly or quarterly, however it is. But they are, the supplier should be a gold supplier, and it should age of the supplier, you should keep that in mind, at least 3 years verified badge it should be having, gems, 3 gems at least, communication and response. That's really important thing. And you can ask that supplier for a quick response on WeChat and Skype for daily routine, and for daily communication you can use WeChat and discuss with them your ideas and something. And for Skype you can like for a long call and watching a video call, so that they can show you your factory, and you should be watching their factory as well on video call and visit their factory if you are dealing with that supplier. So you should watch their factory, and Skype will be really better for you. And you can ask for WeChat them. Most of the China supplier use this application of WeChat, so they will agree to communicate and get in touch with you on WeChat. And you should keep this in mind, that the supplier should be creative and attentive to your idea, and that he should be sharing with you new ideas and providing you some idea in which you can beat your competitor. Or if you you are having any idea, so the supplier should be a friendly one, and he should be accepting and attentive to your ideas. So another point, it is pricing. And this pricing basically I will prefer at the last, because it's not just pricing with which you can beat the competitors and you can make good margins, but you should be keeping in mind that the supplier is a good one and have a good communication with you. Then you can negotiate on the pricing as well. So do contact at least 5 suppliers. You should shortlist at least 5 suppliers and take quotation from them after you watch that they all are fulfilling our criteria.